This engine oil will make your car run better. Is your car sounding like a grumpy goat after a long day of, well, being a goat? Worried your engine is about to tap out like a dying phone battery? Fear not, gearheads and grease monkeys. Today we're spilling the magic potion that'll have your car purring like a kitten and running smoother than butter on a hot summer day. Hey there, car enthusiasts and shade tree mechanics. Welcome to Car Computer Exchange, your one-stop shop for keeping your ride happy and healthy, and way less goaty. Today we're tackling the mystery of engine oil, the unsung hero that keeps your car running like a champ. Forget expensive repairs and frustrating breakdowns. We're about to show you the secret sauce that'll have your car thanking you for miles to come. Let's ditch the car troubles and get down to smooth sailing. Let's face it, nobody enjoys a grumpy car. That rattling, groaning, sluggish beast that sounds like it's about to throw a tantrum on the highway? No thanks. But before you start picturing expensive repairs and towing services, there's a simple solution that can make a world of difference. Using the right engine oil. Why choosing the right oil matters. Think of your engine as the beating heart of your car. It's a complex network of moving parts that constantly rub against each other. Engine oil acts like a superhero in this scenario, creating a slippery film that reduces friction and keeps everything running smoothly. Not all engine oils are created equal, and using the wrong one can lead to increased wear and tear on your engine. By choosing the right oil for your car's specific needs, you can improve performance, fuel efficiency, and overall longevity of your vehicle. Just like you wouldn't wear flip-flops to climb Mount Everest, using the wrong oil for your car's needs can spell disaster. Oil that's too thin won't provide enough protection, leading to increased wear and tear. On the other hand, thick oil can struggle to flow freely, especially in cold weather, making it harder for your engine to start and perform efficiently. Full synthetic versus conventional oil, picking your champion. Now, when it comes to oil types, there's a constant debate, full synthetic versus conventional. Let's break down their strengths. Full synthetic oil, the king of performance. Imagine oil that's like a highly trained athlete, built to perform under pressure. Full synthetic oil is engineered from synthetic molecules, making it more resistant to extreme temperatures and breakdown. This translates to better cold flow. Full synthetic oil flows more easily in cold weather, ensuring your engine starts smoothly and gets lubricated quickly, even on those frosty mornings. Longer lifespan. Synthetic oil lasts longer than conventional oil, meaning fewer oil changes and potentially longer engine life. Superior protection. This champ delivers exceptional protection against wear and tear, keeping your engine running stronger for longer. However, there's a catch. Full synthetic oil typically comes with a higher price tag. Conventional oil, the reliable workhorse. For everyday driving in moderate climates, conventional oil refined from crude petroleum is a perfectly good choice. It's cost-effective. A more budget-friendly option compared to full synthetic. Gets the job done. Provides adequate lubrication for most vehicles under normal driving conditions. While conventional oil is reliable, it might not be the best choice for extreme temperatures or high-performance vehicles. For those looking to save money without sacrificing quality, conventional oil is a reliable option. However, for those seeking optimal engine performance in extreme conditions, full synthetic oil may be worth the investment. Remember, the best oil for your car depends on several factors, including your climate, driving habits, and your car's manufacturer recommendations. Don't be afraid to consult your car's manual or a trusted mechanic to pick the champion your car needs. Hey there, gearheads, still with me? Or has your car magically transformed into a sleek, silent Tesla while I was explaining the wonders of oil? Let me know in the comments below. Is your engine oil more of a sluggish sloth or a high-performance cheetah? Choosing the right oil. Beyond just snake oil sales talk, we've established that engine oil is like the magic elixir keeping your car's heart happy. But with all these different types and weights, choosing the right one can feel like deciphering ancient scrolls. Fear not, fellow car enthusiasts. Let's break down the science behind oil weight and how to pick the perfect potion for your ride. Oil weight, the thickness factor. Imagine pouring honey versus olive oil. Oil weight, also known as viscosity, refers to how thick or thin the oil is. This matters because the right viscosity ensures the oil flows smoothly throughout your engine, reaching all those nooks and crannies to reduce friction. When choosing the right oil weight for your car, consider factors such as the manufacturer's recommendations, climate conditions, and your driving habits. By understanding viscosity and its importance, you can make an informed decision to keep your engine running smoothly for miles to come. Here's the catch. Oil isn't a one-trick pony. It needs to be thin enough to flow freely when your engine is cold, think starting on a frosty morning, but also thick enough to provide adequate protection when things heat up. So, how do you choose the right weight? The good news, your car's manufacturer has already done the hard work for you. Your trusty owner's manual will specify the recommended oil weight based on your car's engine design and climate. It's like a cheat sheet for smooth sailing. Mythbusters. Thicker oil for older cars. Hold on there, Grandpa. Contrary to popular belief, thicker oil isn't necessarily better for older engines. Modern engines have tighter tolerances, think smaller gaps between moving parts, that require a specific oil weight to flow properly. Using an oil that's too thick can actually restrict flow and cause wear and tear. When your car whispers or shouts, it needs an oil change, just like us humans. Cars need a good oil change every now and then. But how do you know when it's time for a pit stop? Here are some telltale signs. Unusual noises. Your engine might develop a knocking or ticking sound, a sign that the oil isn't lubricating properly. Rough idling. A car that vibrates excessively at idle could be due to dirty oil that's hindering smooth operation. The check engine light illuminates. This light can come on for various reasons, but dirty oil is a common culprit. If you experience any of these symptoms, don't wait. Get your car in for an oil change and prevent further problems. Alright, gearheads, we've covered the oil basics. Remember, choosing the right oil isn't about fancy marketing or snake oil salesmen. It's about understanding your car's needs and giving it the lubrication love it deserves. Feeling empowered to tackle your car care like a pro? Hit that subscribe button and join the Car Computer Exchange family. We'll keep you rolling with car care tips, mechanic Q&A sessions, and enough automotive knowledge to make your car whisper sweet nothings of thanks. See you on the next adventure. This engine oil will make your car run better. Is your car sounding like a grumpy goat after a long day of, well, being a goat? Worried your engine is about to tap out like a dying phone battery? Fear not, gearheads and grease monkeys. Today we're spilling the magic potion that'll have your car purring like a kitten and running smoother than butter on a hot summer day.